Okay, so I have a screwdriver kit right here. This is from HOTO. It's a 3.6 volt screwdriver kit right here. Let's unbox this. Okay, so let's get my handy dandy cutter here. Here we go. Oh, okay, this is interesting. So underneath it says "Make It Happen" with a yellow coloring and all that. Very interesting. I like the fact that I'm able to get this one and pull it out, because sometimes some of the boxes are not. It's like really hard to take out and all. But here we go. I digress. Okay, so we have a QR code right here with the HOTO or HOTO. I don't know how to properly pronounce this brand, but it does say here, stay tuned to our social media at HOTO_official. This is the user manual right here. So as you can see, product overview. So number one, screwdriver bit holder, light, torque knob, forward or reverse rotation button, and how to use is right here. Turning the power on and off, turning the light on and off, forward, reverse rotation right here. How many screw heads does it come with? It says here number 8, 2.3 long screwdriver bit times 24. So yeah, I'm assuming it's 24. Did it say here on the back? I didn't even check, how big this is and all that. But let's open this up. Packaging, very, very simple. No complaints about it, it had to be simple. I don't know, for some reason I had the expectation that it was going to be metal, but it's not. This is plastic. The thing is, I have the iFixit here, and I must say I kind of prefer the iFixit box or case at this point right now. Although this has a very unique design to the case. You can open it here. Yep, the iFixit is magnetic and all the way, you take the entire cover out. But I gotta be honest, the plastic quality is cheaply made, unfortunately, especially for the price of this one. How much is this one? Let me double check. Amazon says, well, it says here deal price is $49.99, list price is $79.99, but I doubt that that's the deal price. I think that is the actual pricing, like on average, 50 bucks. Let's see. I guess it is 24 bits. Compared to the iFixit, this has more, okay? The difference between the iFixit and this one, the one I have, I guess, because they're all for electronics, they're tinier than this. This is more like the regular power tools, actually, to be honest with you. Like regular Phillips, at least the head and all that. I have the Vera, this German screwdriver, which is pretty handy and portable. I can open this up right here. Anyways, I digress. I'm gonna go back to the actual review. Take this main knob right here. Alright, so at least the main, I guess, what is this, like rod or knob? It's not that bad, and it's in, rubber, so it's not slippery, which is good. Can you manually actually? No. I guess this is for like locking mechanism. Number 4, oh okay, torque knob, so I guess it's like the speed and all that, the power. Does it have a battery inside? Oh okay, it's worked. So good thing that we can straight up use this right away. So I am assuming with my Makita power tool, you can plug this in or have an extension and put this up here. Yep. Oh okay, then there's torque. I don't know what the difference of the speed is. I gotta read this. Forward, reverse, turn light off. Number 6, this is the light here. What is number 6? This is charging indicator. Okay, we can plug the USB cable. It's a USB-C, by the way. My question is, does it come with a cable? No, it doesn't. Okay, that's fine. It's not a big deal. But let's charge this while we're doing any test. So we can see the light right here. It's blinking, or it's like breathing type of light. I guess you can't really use when it's charging. It doesn't really work. So you have to remove that. Okay, so that's interesting. Here's the torque knob. So it does have a little bit of indicator. There's 1, 2, and 3. Right now, I guess it's on 3, putting it in 1. So it's pointing, see, it's aligned to the buttons. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So I don't know, but that's how it looks like. The back, all the labeling right here, HOTO 3.5 screwdriver kit, and then the USB-C port at the bottom. Pretty interesting, and it's simple. So the difference between this and my iFixit is this is all manual. I was going to say that I'm going to get my Makita power tool, but that's not a fair comparison because this is a portable and that one is an actual like for construction and stuff. But this is not bad. This is at number 3 right now. Can you guys see? Not sure. And then number 2. Number 1, 2, 3. So, I mean, it does say a torque knob, but I wish I have something that I need to fix on right now to work on this one. The other thing I want to test out is if these are magnetics. Yep, that one might. Maybe it is. I think it is. Maybe like in Makita, it's this one that has a magnet. So let's put this one here and see if this becomes a magnet. Nope. Just for reference, I have a magnetic pole right here. So this sucks in the magnet. Does it work? Nope, nothing. Unfortunately, it's not magnetic. Nope. And I'm pretty sure this is, see, my ball is magnetic. See? Oh, okay. See, yep. This is supposed to be magnetic. There's a magnet inside here. Just like in Makita, see? Maybe the Phillips screw might be good. The problem is, usually they transfer it to here, or I guess this is just for the magnet on this one. It does have a magnet, you know, having this. It's just a bit weak though. That's the thing. Is it enough though to like put it? Yeah, I guess. It's a little wobbly though. I don't know if you guys can see it on the front. Remove this one. Let's take it off and do this one. So it's not wobbly. I guess it's this thing right here with the magnet. Yeah, I don't know. For some reason, yeah, it is a little wobbly. This has a light indicator, so when you're in it, so it's almost like the Makita, but the light is pretty. I don't know if it's because the battery's it's not filled right now, it's not full, but you know, it's not that bright. Let's give it like a minute or two.
A few minutes later.
1 to 2 minutes. Let's give it a second try. And this is on number 3, by the way. This one. Yeah, the light is not that bright, to be honest with you. But I gotta tell you, you know, it's faint. It's not that bright compared to at least with the Makita. It also has a battery, but that's for like heavy duty and all that. So overall, I think it's okay for 60 bucks. Was it 60 bucks or 50? It's 50 bucks. So I guess for 50 bucks, it's not that bad. It's pretty unique, you know, especially what you're gonna buy on Amazon for 50 bucks. You can't really complain. I mean, if you want more, you're gonna have to spend more. And like the Makita I have, you know, it's over $200. So this is good if you don't like doing the manual thing. This will help you a lot, especially assembling stuff. So it's not bad. I think it's okay. I wish like the toolbox has better quality though. Other than that, you know, because sometimes you appreciate when it feels good, feels premium and all that. So yeah, but overall it's okay. It's decent, not bad. It's pretty unique. I like it. Especially, you know, whatever you can find on Amazon, sometimes it's really not good. But this one, I wouldn't mind. Yeah, I think it's okay for 50 bucks. Yep, that's pretty much it for this review. Pretty short review. I just wanted to see, especially what we can get on Amazon, like unique stuff. I might have to make a list on that. But anyways, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you haven't, consider subscribing to the channel. This is Lars, and I'll see you in the next video.